Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open the car hood of your MINI Cooper. First step, open the gate. And then, as you can see on the left side, at the passenger's seat area, there is a lever. This you have to pull. Now, let's head up to the car hood in front of your car. And there is the MINI sign. And about 30 centimeters on the right side, there is a button. This button you have to press. Press and lift up the car hood. And as you can see, the car hood are going to open. And there is the mechanic. This is the button. And on the left side, as you can see, this is the hook. And this is hooked over there, and easy. You only have to open the car hood and it stays automatically in this position. Yeah, now how to close it? Only pull and drop it about 20 centimeters above. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.